Have you ever noticed we are not separate from our environment? We are made up of the same elements that create our universe. This world is an artistic masterpiece, designed by an intelligence called nature. We share her creative power to nurture, to grow, to seed, to create, to cooperate, to cultivate. In this physical form, this creative energy is called art. We are vessels of art. We are vessels for art. Someone once said, to lead a rich life, we must take risks. Risk of falling, risk of walking the line, risk of rising beyond what we think we know, risk of recreating ourselves. We are ultimately free energy flowing from one form to another, able to express our consciousness through our bodies. It's just a matter of how much we are willing to risk to discover the ultimate expression of ourselves.